Welcome to Do Friendly training session. How to earn using Do Friendly. Hope all the users have downloaded Do Friendly app and performed sign up. If you have performed sign up, you are called as brand friend. Let's open Do Friendly app. Once you open Do Friendly app, you can see the dashboard. This is the home screen where all the listed businesses, those companies who all are listed into this platform, are visible in this page. This is the main page where you can perform refer of any individual business and you can send customers to these companies. So you as a person can become brand friend for any number of businesses who are listed here. If you have to search any businesses, you can click on to the search bar, that is search for business. Let's search for silk saree businesses. So you can see all the search menu which is showing silk saree companies. Similarly, if you wish to become a brand friend for particular business, you can click upon individual company. Let's click on Samskruti Silks, and after validating it, you can click on become brand friend. This is nothing but just like how celebrities take brand endorsements. Similarly, you as an influencer can take n number of companies under your banner. Now you can see I am brand friend of one business, that is Samskruti Silks. All the listed which you have become brand friend, you can see all the businesses over here, and anytime when you search for any related product or services, your listed brand friend businesses will be coming on top, so that you can immediately click on refer and send a customer. So this is the home screen. Now coming to the next tab, that is track. Under track, you can see how much you can earn. All the total balances will be accumulated here, and this is track summary of earning balance. If you are running a business as a promotion in this Do Friendly, then you will have to be doing spending balance, and this is the summary of it. Now list recent transactions are the field which will show you how many referrals you have been sent. Let's imagine you can read here sent customer to Perception Marketing, and you can also see the amount 4 rupees 50 paisa you have earned. And another example, sent customer to Perception Marketing. The status is showing as sent. Maybe that customer has not yet gone to the Perception Marketing. If you have to see more details about the referrals what you have already sent, you just need to click on the strip and you can see the details of this transaction. Here you saw the details and status of the word of mouth. Here the status is showing as sent, waiting and earned. And you can see for each reference what you make, a transaction ID is being created along with transaction value, how much did the customer purchase for, and how much incentive did you earn out of this transaction. Also, you can perform a report if you feel that customer has gone and the business has not accepted his referrals, then you can report to the Do Friendly with business did not accept OTP or incorrect transaction value or poor customer, and click submit, so that Do Friendly team will get back to you and make sure the business provides incentive for your referrals. So entire transaction summaries will be seen here, and you can get your withdrawals in a click of a button as soon as you click Get Cash. You can withdraw the cash by filling the form and click Proceed. The withdrawal can be taken from UPI ID, or you can get it directly to the bank transfer or UPI ID. Now coming to the next step is network. Under the network tab, you can, if you are a business user, you can add your business by clicking upon the banner. Here we can see one already business is being updated, that is Sulegai Mobile Apps Private Limited. For you, it will be shown that this will be displayed as add business. Since you are a new user, you can click upon the banner or click on add business to enter your business details. And once you enter your business, you can also promote your business to your friends, family and existing customers by clicking promote now button, so that these people will get to know that Refer and Earn is running under Do Friendly for your business. And there is another option called invite businesses and earn. You can also invite your known businesses, telling that you can be available in Do Friendly so that I can do word of mouth marketing. So how to do invite? We just need to click invite now, and you can select WhatsApp. A predetermined message will go to the respective person, so that once they download, you can also see their businesses in Do Friendly. The last tab is profile. In the profile, you can see that your invite code. If you use this invite code for inviting businesses, you can get incentive for onboarding the businesses also, and meanwhile the person who is registering the business gets 10% discount on the listing fee behalf of you. And as usual, you can also see your influence scorecard by seeing the rating of your influencer rating, and you can see how many businesses you have onboarded and how many word of mouth referrals you have sent and how much of business you have generated, and out of that how much you have earned from the Do Friendly app. Now let's show you how to earn. Come to the home screen. Now let's imagine you are talking with somebody is asking for marketing consultant or any marketing companies. You having the Do Friendly app, all you can do is just open the app, click on search and click marketing. And as soon as you click marketing, you found perception marketing. Here you just need to click refer and enter the customer mobile number. You can either choose the customer mobile number of the customer from contacts or directly enter that. So let's imagine I know the customer number and I will click refer. As soon as I click refer, the referral is successfully sent. You can see that here message comes and your friend receives the message. You want to see how the message looks? If you see that, since I have used my own number, I received this SMS. Congratulations, get Sunny's friendly discount at Perception Marketing. Call, an OTP and a map. Imagine the person who asked you this referral and this has gone to him. If the person goes to the respective business and gives this OTP, they receive a special discount behalf of you, and end of the day automatically you can earn by seeing in your track button. Here you can see on June 14th sent customer to Perception Marketing. If I click search, you can see this customer is being sent. Right now the customer is not yet gone to that premises. The moment they go to the premises and perform the transaction, the status will be shown as waiting, and business will be paying you 4.5% of the transaction value as soon as the transaction is completed. And once the business pays through online transfer, the status of it will be shown as earned, and this earned amount will be directly coming to your earning balance. Isn't it wonderful? Just by clicking refer, you can literally earn from any businesses and based on opportunities. So the main reason of using DoFriendly app is you can either refer or onboard businesses and earn from track button. If you are interested to add your business and get referrals, you can always go to Network tab and click on Add Business. Thank you for listening to this benefits and features of DoFriendly app. Hope you can start, refer and earn, as well as invite and earn using DoFriendly app. For any more information you require, contact DoFriendly training team. Thank you.